DDesigns is a local custom cabinet manufacturer located in Golden, Colorado. We have been in business for 20 years producing beautiful custom cabinets. Our team is aware of the COVID-19 crisis and the need for employers to provide PPE. Because of the shortage in protective gear and resources, we are stepping up to produce safety shields for our fellow Americans. Many companies are still in need of placing safety guards throughout their businesses, protecting both the employees and their customers. See our website at usasafeshield.com for product details and to order standard sizes. Contact us for bulk orders of custom sizes and pricing. We are here to help.